Good morning students. Today I am taking third class science, fourth lesson, parts of a plant and their functions. Parts of a plant and their functions. In our yesterday's class we know about the stem. In the shoot system the main part is stem. Stem is a stem holding branches, leaves, flowers, food roots, buds and seeds. And stem has main functions like stem are many types, like big trees have thick and hard stems. Example, banyan and neem trees stems very hard and thick stems. These are called trunks. And next, herbs. Herbs have soft and herbs have thick, soft and green color stems. Example, coriander, mint. And shrubs have hard and shrubs have soft and green stems. Shrubs have thick and soft and green stems. And climbers and creepers have very weak stems. Examples, pumpkin and grapes. These plant stems are very weak. And what are the functions of stem? Stem carries the water to remaining all plant parts absorbed by the roots. And next, plant grow upright position. Stem help to plant grow upright position. And plant stem, like some plant stems store excessive food in their stems. Example, potato and ginger. These are stems, but these stems excessive food stored in their stems. And next, stem holding flowers, fruits, branches, leaves and fruits, seeds, buds. And plant stem also carries the food prepared by plant leaf to remaining all parts. Okay, today we know about the leaf. Next, in shoot system the second part is leaf. The leaf is called the food factory of plant. The leaf is called food factory of the plant. Why? The plant leaf prepared own food by the photosynthesis process. That's why plant leaf is called food factory of the plant. And structure of leaf. In structure of leaf, how many parts we see? In a leaf, the main parts are leaf blade, the main vein and side veins. This is a leaf. This leaf have three main parts. Main vein, leaf blade. This is called leaf blade. And this plant leaf have many veins. These veins are called, this is main vein and this is tiny veins. These are called side veins. And the flat broad portion of leaf is called the leaf blade. The flat broad portion of leaf is called leaf blade. And the leaf blade has a thin lines along the center is called midrib or main vein. This is a main vein. If this plant leaf, middle of the plant leaf, the leaf blade has a thin lines and along with center is called, this is called main vein or midrib. And the midrib has many branches of smaller veins called side veins. This midrib have many veins. These are called smaller veins and side veins. The veins carry food and water to all parts of the plant. These veins carries the water and food to parts of a plant. Okay, this is our topic. The plant is called food factory of plant. Why? Because the plant leaf prepared by own food by the photosynthesis process. The structure of leaf leaf has three main parts: leaf blade, a main vein, and side veins. The flat broad portion of leaf part is called leaf blade, or this is called lamina. Another name is called lamina. The leaf blade has thin lines along with the center. This is called main vein or midrib, and this midrib have many tiny smaller veins. These are called smaller veins or side veins. These are called smaller veins and side veins. These are carries the food and water to all parts of a plant. This is our, and plant leaves have small holes, small tiny holes. These are called stomata. These are help to breathing purpose, and plant leaves have tiny holes. These are called stomata. These stomata help to breathe and take in carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. This is the function of stomata. This is our topic. In this topic, harbors food factory, leaf blade, main vein, and side veins, broad branches, midrib, lamina. These harbors you must practice in your home, and each harbor write 10 times. This is your homework. Okay children, thank you.